I'm going to be showing you how to start your own crochet business. Included in this video are multiple options and ideas. Step 1 is decide how and what you're selling. Ask yourself these questions and write them down. Will you sell finished products, crochet patterns, or both? Selling digital patterns and PDFs can be hard to make, but definitely rewarding. Next question is, will you sell in person, online, or both? You could sell your stuff on Etsy or your own website, or sell at craft markets and vendor fairs. And then you gotta decide what products are you gonna sell. Here's a list of just a few ideas. I recommend doing a variety. There's a lot more in this out there, so that's why I recommend looking for inspiration on Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest for free patterns also. Now that you have some answers, now it's time to get into starting your shop. If you want to start an Etsy shop, I have a whole video on that listed in the description below. These tips right here are really helpful because you want to research what your audience wants. I suggest going to Etsy.com, typing in crochet, and see what things are popular right now. Search a term you're interested in and see what top products come up, and don't steal ideas, just take inspiration from them. There's also a lot of patterns for good prices on here if you wanted some ideas for stuff to sell. There's also some really good sites for looking up Etsy keywords, SEO, things that are really selling right now. So next, get the materials you need to start your business. I love getting my yarn from Hobby Lobby. They have the best prices and a very good selection, and I love their yarn. Joann's and Amazon also have good materials. Now, figuring out prices can be a bit tricky, but here's how I do it. I always try to price my things just a little bit below the competition. So here on step 3 for making sales, I'm going to be talking a lot about in-person selling tips. You might want to screenshot these or at least pause the video and write them down. Also, make sure you're doing everything legally with your state and local laws. I highly recommend setting up social media for your business. It really helps. I know this was super short, but I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, write them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, I have a ton of helpful videos on my channel that you might really enjoy.